Good afternoon. We're now going to NOVOTEL. That's where we're going to celebrate our New Year together with the family. So, si Grace at si Mela sa baba na, waiting for our Grab. Heading down now. Pag-ilaw dito.
What?
Ready ka na, Ma?
Yes.
Saan?
NOVOTEL.
Natulog ka? Bakit ganyan mo to?
Kaidlip nga ako. Tagal niyo eh.
Pilansa mo yung damit mo?
Oo. Eh, nakusot na.
Pati mukha mo nakusot din.
Dahil ka ganyan ako.
Ready ka na mag-party?
Labas.
Karay, party na lang.
Happy New Year!
Excited? Ayun na, NOVOTEL. Sarado na yung daan dun. Kasi marami ng tao dyan.
Saan?
Yan pong kalsada na yan.
Oo.
Mamaya sarado na yan. Punong-puno na yan. Alam mo kung nasan yung lobby? Ayan o.
Si Kuya.
So we just arrived here at the hotel and we just checked in. Took a while because they charged my card with a wrong amount, and then after finishing it they said that the room is not yet ready. Check-in is 2 p.m. and it's 2:30 already, and they said to come back at 3 o'clock. So I'm a little annoyed because we're paying the whole amount but we're not staying the whole period, so it's quite annoying. So they said come back at 3 or 3:30, but I said it has to be 3 p.m. or else it's not the whole stay. So we'll see. We have finally checked in. This brings some good memories. We're gonna miss definitely Miles and Bubbles. So I asked Grace, Mel, and Hubbee to go to Central World. Mauna na sila. And then sunod na lang kami ni Mami. There's the view. We're off to Central para sundan sila. Doon muna kami mag-spend ng time before the New Year countdown later. Tanong mo saan ang floor natin, Ma?
11.
It's like party now. Dami ng music, dami ng tao. Grabe. Saya. Mas marami pa ito mamaya. Sarado na yung street dito kasi dito yung party mamaya. Saya. Everyone is preparing now for the party tonight. Welcome back to Central, Ma. Nakapunta ka na dito dati, di ba?
Hindi ko matandaan.
Di ba? Daming tao, man. No? Saya. Daming foreigner. Daming mag-New Year dito sa Bangkok. Kanina ko pa hinahanap si Mami. Pag-alagala, hahanap ko na rin sa wakas. Huli ka, Balbon. Ano pa?
Merienda lang naman.
Of course, sticky rice with mango. Hindi pwedeng mawawala sa mga turista. Ano, gusto mo niyan? Ayaw na?
Sama na to. Merienda lang naman. Saan ko lang?
Nakaupo. Octopus, ayaw mo octopus? Ayan o, try mo.
Di ba malambot?
Malambot. Try mo.
Kumakain ka rin yan.
Seafood. Gusto mo? Try mo lang.
Sige nga, try natin.
Yung maliit lang.
Oo.
Gulatin mo, Ma. Gulatin mo. We're going to take a photo. Tingnan namin kung kasya kami dito sa maliit na space na to. Good luck. Halika, Ma. Dali, try natin. Baka tayo puro mukha lang.
Ganun talaga, mukha.
Sabi.
Ay, dapat si Kuya.
Para tayo sardinas. Abi, dito ka.
Yan.
Ay, Diyos ko. The boat is sinking. Puro mukha lang.
Start.
Okay.
Oh, you choose.
Ito? Oh, baba kami.
Ating ba? Kayo na mamili.
Yan.
Kano mamili, Abby? Yung red na, yung red. Yan na. We're going to have an early dinner here at Mackee since it's gonna be full later. Okay, thank you.
6, okay?
Okay. Hey, we have a nice table. Gusto mo doon? Sa loob?
Mababa doon.
O, dito ka? Doon na lang tayo, Abby.
Bye for you.
What's yours, mother? Wala pa?
Masahe mo, 100.
Banging fried rice.
Yung specialty ng restaurant natin. Favorite yan ng mga turista.
Pininyahan
Dapat
na.
yan ang tinatry.
Ako na po, inumin mo pala.
Sarap! Inggit! Saan ang food mo, ma?
Wala.
Kawawa naman. Kawawa yung nanay. Walang pagkain.
Kalimutan, steam rice nga lang.
Steam rice na nga. Yun lang daw kasi in-order mo. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Sarap, ma. There.
Mabulunan ako ng ano, kangkong. Ang sarap na manghang.
Kaga, yung kangkong. Inaluan mo naman ng matamis na isda.
Well, ito pa oh.
We just finished dinner but they're looking for bread na agad. Dami ng tao waiting for the New Year's celebration later. May program na. Grabe. Ganito na kadami yung tao hanggang doon na sa dulo. Sa entrance. We have some seating machines. Bibili kaya siya. Gusto niya yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Selfie ka, ma. Go, dali.
Nag-selfie na ako.
Isa pa.
Asan tayo?
Nasa NOVOTEL nga.
And we are getting ready now for the New Year's celebration. Of course, we decided to wear the Pantone color of next year, which is magenta. But we're not sure if our magenta is magenta. Mine is not. Show yours.
Mine is magenta. Is it?
It's the same.
No, it is
Look.
like a magenta.
You're the sibuyas. I'm the old sibuyas. Laong nga.
This is magenta.
Baliktad yung tunog.
Ikaw baliktad. Baliktad.
Tama yun, Mel.
Huwag mong babalik ka rin sa harap yun sa'yo.
New Year!
So paano? Ganon?
Ganun muna.
Oh, mali sa'yo.
Baliktad ka, Kuya Will.
Baliktad.
Yung 2.
Ay, mali.
Harap dapat.
Hindi, mali sa'yo. Sa atin. Mali sa atin. Yan.
Oh.
Mali!
Tama yung kanina.
Tama sa'yo. Tama sa ano.
Yan.
Hindi baliktad sa'yo. Happy ka dyan.
Oh. Baliktad sa'yo.
Kaya nga.
Yan.
Parang
Tama.
baliktad yung
Ay, baliktad,
tunog.
baliktad.
Baliktad yung tunog.
Hindi, ikaw
Hindi,
baliktad.
ikaw baliktad.
Kaya
Yan.
baka lang
Kanina.
Ayan, ayan. Tama.
Oh.
Tama. Okay. Ay, ang ganda. Puro tayo sibuyas.
Ako plastic.
Yes.
Tingnan mo yung ulo ni Mami.
Statua. Kapuon. Statua ninyo.
Pantay ka sa mga tita.
Ma, grabe. Hindi ka talaga sumalama. Parang kang bato. Wow. Ang daming picture. Lahat ng picture ko.
Isang pose mo.
Wala yan. Arimunding-munding. Uy, arimunding-munding. Uy, sayo ma. Ting 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 ma. Ting ting ting. 1, 2, 3, go. Ting 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 ting. Parang Santo Niño. Katawan lang yung gumagalaw.
Viva Santo Niño!
Wala ka ng mata.
Hindi ako niya patawarin. Wala na akong mata.
Buiskis! Happy! Happy! Ma, galaw-galaw! Santo ka na naman! Nabaliw. Look at the crowd there. It's 30 minutes before the countdown. Kanina, wala pa yan dito ngayon. Grabe, siksika na sila. For sure, hanggang dun yan. Before, andun kami. Hanggang dun lang kami umaabot. Last 2 years, nung nandito kami, grabe, ang crowd, dun lang. Yan lang. It's back na talaga. 7 minutes to go before the countdown for 2023. Look at that crowd. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Woo! Say, Mom, ganda! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Salud-tulon! Year of the Rabbit! Year of the Rabbit! Year of the Rabbit! Sabi namin tumalan. Para tayong mga baboy na nakakulong. Wow! Ang ganda! Wow! Ganda! Wow! Let's go! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy, happy, happy New Year! Ang saya! Happy New Year, Ma! And this New Year celebration is done. We're heading back home. We're just gonna leave them here to stay overnight. Oops, it's here. Saan ba? Ito. Which one? Here. We're just gonna walk to the New Year celebration venue at Central World just to see the aftermath. And then we'll see how we can go and where we can request for a Grab. If not, our last option is to take the train. Let's see. Ayun, yung dalawa. Sabi nila lalabas. Nandyan lang pala. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Let's see how we can go home.
Here at McDonald's. Bili muna kami ng snacks before going. And dami pang tao hanggang ngayon. Sobrang dami. Ang saya pa rin ng Bangkok. Grabe mo.
Lasing ka, girl. Grabe, this New Year celebration is quite memorable because we celebrated it with my family this time. Enjoy naman kami. We had the best seat for fireworks display this year. So we had a great time. Dahil di kami makahanap ng taxi, ng Grab, ng bike, ang ending namin, tuk-tuk.
It's like refreshing.
Pauwi na kami. Happy New Year! And we're home. Sawadi, sawadi, be my Happy New Year, ever!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! We are going to Central Ramanine. We're gonna take them there. We're going to Wat Po to bring them to some temples. So we're here now at the Hyperglide Buddha. Ano sabi mo sa temple, Ma?
Maganda, malawak, maganda yung mga, ano dito?
Ano?
Ano ba yun? Right.